Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Dancehall Week ends on a high. The inaugural week-long event ended with the highly anticipated Dancehall Parade in Kingston on Sunday. Fully decorated trucks, costume groups and onlookers were out to experience the march from Randy Williams Entertainment Center to Mass Camp. Now E-Prime was out on the road and spoke with the event organizer, who shared on pairing the street parade concept with dancehall.
Dancehall, reggae music, is a carnival-esque thing. This is natural dancehall. This is what a dancehall is about.
The week saw events across Kingston, from the inclusion of the popular I Love Dancehall series to a dancehall sound battle. Now Dancehall Week was added to the Reggae Month calendar, and Director of Marketing and Public Relations for the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, Swani Kane, spoke to the delight of the added concept.
Well, I'll tell you, February is the only month-long reggae festival in the world, and Dancehall Week, for the first time this year, happens to be a part of Reggae Month. We're really excited. Our Honourable Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange is a big proponent of the dancehall culture, having been a part of its origin here in Jamaica.
Now to news overseas. Oppenheimer wins big at the BAFTA Awards. The Christopher Nolan-directed 3-hour film led the nominations with 13, picking up the awards for Best Film, Best Director, Best Supporting Actor, Best Original Score, Best Editing, and Best Cinematography. Now Nolan copped his first BAFTA with Best Director. In accepting the award, he expressed his thanks to Studio Universal.
To Emma Thomas, our incredible producer, I love you. And thank you to Universal, led by the incomparable Dame Donna Langley. Thank you for letting us all take on something quite dark and seeing the potential in that.
Poor Things was the other standout winner of the ceremony with 5, including Emma Stone's award for lead actress. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.